properly here. Team Impulse on blue, Cloud9 on red. Here we go.
Didn't see that.
Sin gets ulted. He's gonna die for sure. Here comes Sarah from the backside. Oh, and someone disruptive. Already picked up 2. An Impulse take down Cloud9, only giving up 5 kills.
TP, Kevin, you're red TP. Give me a ward. I want.
I'm here.
Too slow. On Pobalter. Kill the Summer. Confuse. Let's go. Hey, run, Dennis, run.
One of you recall.
I'm on Bro. I'm just hitting Bro. I got it.
Immortals 3-0.
Look, it says RIP and then it's all my old teammates.
Destroyed.
That's so sad.
Oh my god.
RIP.
That's actually hilarious.
Oh, it's because we're here last season with the same sign, but now they just wrote RIP on it. That's really sad.
Back up. Play slow.
Looks at the queue, gets a 2-man stun. Here comes the re-engage. Phoenix wants in, but oh no, Darshan and Hu, he turned it back around, and Phoenix sniped away. That's gonna be it. CLG improved to 2-1.
2:31 on the clock. Oh, this is what we were looking for. The damage. Wait, can they follow up on it? You're right, the damage. Gotta get in for the spikes. Crumbs over the wall. There's Kiwi Kitty goes in. Dignitas takes down Renegades.